Well, here we go. I'm not going to wear my bodysuit. It's too hot, and I'll just end up wet and sweaty, and I don't want that. And so what I'm going to do is put that over here. Here's the underside of the slider. You have to wear safety breathing apparatus. Full facial protection. Gloves to protect your hands. Now what I can do, I'm going to bring a fan over here and blow it on you so that it'll take the dust and move it away from you while I'm doing this. It's not as good as a vacuum setup, but it's close. I come here, and all I want to do is push this right here, gently away from me. It also will cool me so that the dust does not go on me. So, first, we find out the center. Now, it wasn't off a lot. It was off a little. And by the time I'm through sandpaper sanding, it'll be just right. You can see in the sandpaper now, it's making contact on all three sides. There's a pattern in the sandpaper. I can tell what's happening. Using this method, it cuts sides and top perfectly. We're almost done. We just have to get to clear where we've got the material absolutely flat on the part that touches the mouthpiece top with a hole. That's quite close. That would actually work, but I can make it a little better looking.
The block on top is used to give me a better grip. Try more down pressure. I say this was easy. Quite close to finished right now. At least on this sand grouping. Okay. Next sandpaper. Mark this off. Okay. Now, it's interesting that all three edges are absolutely correct because it was sanded right over the actual harp. This is the harp. So regardless of any aberrations in mouthpiece shape or cover shape, it will fit perfectly. You can see when the sandpaper is evenly covered on all three sides, it is sanded flat and proper. Whereas this is still fairly rough sandpaper. Beautiful. Make sure the mouthpiece is dirt-free or dust-free. It's not dirt, it's ground material. There you go, see? It's perfect. Outside down. 500. Perfect. Very smooth. We'll finish off now with 1,000 bricks. Sandpaper, the white, clean off. Here. Very nice. You can see the sanding pattern even. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Perfect. You can see the touch pattern here is perfect. Okay, that completes the resanding of this, and let's see if we were able to bring it down a little tighter on the HARP cover. Sure did. And in my mind, that's better. I like it better. So that completes the fix of the slider sanding.